Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2023 Ford Bronco Sport. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as LED headlamps, drive mode selector, as well as USB-C ports, deep tinted rear glass, and so much more. Come check it out. Moving on to the interior, we're going to have this jet black interior with storage on the bottom here, speakers right next to it. Above that you'll have the power locks, mirrors, and windows, as well as the black handles. With your Bronco badging, you're going to have these manually adjustable jet black bucket seats. Up at the back, you're going to have your trunk releasing as well as your lighting control. On the left side of the steering wheel, you're going to have volume control and cruise control with your Bronco badging. And the right side is your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. And you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, as well as your gauges, your driver assistance, phone connectivity, and other vehicle information you may need. Not going to be push start, you're going to have the actual key. Of course, onto the infotainment system, you're going to have Bluetooth connectivity, as well as downloadable apps and other settings you can connect with FordPass Connect, driver assistance, and as well as we go across built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and valet mode. Down below, you're going to have your climate control, USB-C ports, as well as some extra storage with a 12 volt. You're going to have your shifter there, drive mode selector here, as well as parking brake, and of course the center console with more USB ports. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable, black across, a little bit of chrome accent, speakers up top, and then here you just have your reading lamps and a sunglass case holder. You're going to have these blacked out 17-inch aluminum wheels on Continental Pro contact tires. You're going to have the black mirror caps and door handles, as well as side rails, deep tint rear glass in the back, of course with trailer hitch on the bottom. As you can see with the backup camera, you can open the glass or the door. We'll open up the door straight up. You're gonna have the 60/40 rear folding seats, as well as lamp and hooks in the back, as well as extra wheel well storage and tools down below. It's a very spacious rear. All right, moving on to the rear interior. Storage again on the bottom next to the speakers. That's coming up here with the power windows. At the back, quite a bit of legroom. You're gonna have USB ports on the bottom there. Unfortunately, no cup holder or armrest. Just lamps up top with handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2023 Ford Bronco Sport. It comes equipped with a 1.5 liter EcoBoost, as well as drive mode selector, downloadable apps, as well as Wi-Fi hotspot, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.